Hello there, YouTubers. Today, hope you all are having a good day. Today, we are staying at a hotel for 1 or 2 nights. And today, what I have for you today is a unknown Howard Miller triple chime grandfather clock. And I kind of got a little excited that I saw a clock like this. And I'm gonna explain the story about it. I was trying to make a video of it chiming on the third quarter to 11 at night, because you can see out the window. It's dark out, and this ear is chiming on St. Michael's or Westminster. I'm not sure, because when it was on striking on 45, it did not go off. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour on it. And this clock has a more detail. I asked her permission to show each chime. And the chimes it has is Whittington, St. Michael's, and Westminster, and silent. But silent, again, as I said, is not considered as a chime. Come on, guys. See, Whittington is at the top, St. Michael's on the second, Westminster's on the third, and silent at the very bottom. So, does my clock might go off? I don't know if it only goes off every 60 minutes or an hour. Maybe. I never heard this clock ring before, and it has more detail. I'm gonna explain again as the story. It has more detail on glass. See how there's more glass detail, and it's a pretty beautiful clock, to my opinion. It has a little bit of a different, more of the flutes on the sides right here. Now, again, as I said about the weight, the left weight controls the striking, depending what time it's gonna strike on the hour. The middle weight controls the entire clock movement of the cogs, and the right weight, the heaviest weight, controls the right weight. The chiming weight controls the chiming, which is a triple chime, because it has 8 hammers, and there's 12 altogether, because 8 plus 4 equals 12. And the weights look different. They have a little bit more detail on it. As I said, I think it either is chiming on St. Michael's or Westminster. And it does have a trove again, like as I said. It has just a little bit of a lighter brown. This might go off or maybe not, because I don't know, the workers that own this hotel it might either go off only on the hour, or it can go off every 15 minutes. Ding here, ding here, ding here, and ding there. And I've been waiting for on the 45, and it was strange how it didn't go off. And the clock is locked because it's in a public place, and the crank is missing. The stuff is actually on the top, which I can't take, because otherwise they would get mad at me, and we would be kicked out. And it might have also a different sound of chime. It's gonna sound different. It has the hour hand, the minute hand, and the actual second hand. And this is either chime on St. Michael's or Westminster, or I don't know if it's off or something. I'm gonna show you guys this chiming on the Westminster, I think it might be. And it should go off after it passes this dot. So it's almost gonna go off. It should go off in at least 1 minute. There's also an extra detail to the pendulum, which it has a circle on it. We'll see if it goes off or not. Let's see. Doesn't look like I'm not hearing anything, so it looks like it's off. It's weird. It's not going off. It's weird. Or does it ding 1 minute after the hour? I'm not sure. I don't think I am hearing anything, so I think we're under crosswords right now. Because usually it should go off on the hour. That's strange. Or does it go off after a minute after the hour? We'll see if that works. Okay, I don't think this thing is gonna go off because we're under crossroads right now. Did it go off? No, it did not. I'm not seeing any hammers moving. Been watching, nothing happened. Actually, it might have been on the silent, actually, which I was thinking earlier. That's weird. That's strange. As you can see, it's locked. Of course. See how it's locked? I cannot take anything. I don't know what that is. I think that's the crank, actually. I don't know why it did not go off. That's an odd thing. I don't know, out of nowhere. So, that's an incomplete video I'm actually filming. It did not make a chiming or the mechanism sound of the hammers hitting the rods, that's weird. The one thing that happened is that it should go off. It's over, like, let's see what time it is actually. It's 11:01 and it's a couple minutes ahead. That's strange. It should go off. They probably did not wind the middle weight, that's why I think. Huh, that's weird. I waited 15 minutes after and then it did not go off either. That's like twice now. And this clock does have a light in it. As you can see, it has a bulb in it. Let me just dim my camera. And there might be a little bit of a crack in it. The weird thing is it did not go off. Sorry about this. The one thing is that this clock just should go off at a certain time. It should go off here, 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 and there. The weird thing is that it doesn't want to go off. And the one thing you may notice is that it has a little bit of a curving thing on the door. And it has a little bit of different flutes on it. So, yeah. And you also have circles of the decoration right here and here and here and there. And it has more detail on the clock face as well. So yeah, this is the incomplete video. I'm gonna see if it goes off later on. Here's the moon dial. And I don't know what number it is on, but I hope you enjoyed the incomplete video. Subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, and of course, comment below. And of course, peace out.